You have arrived at your destination.
Thank you very much, baby. Yeah, I will.
Licorice inside! Go inside! Oh God, where's Jollibee?
Кто это пришел? Краля.
You'll see how he pulls his toes together. Now you notice those feathers trailing off Dennis's back. They look like tail feathers, but they're in fact attached to his wings. There he goes. Ta-da! We're expecting. Right, we're just going to carry on with the show. This is actually our pelican. His name is Oliver. I don't know what happened to Smokey and the bandits. Perhaps they don't feel like coming onto stage today. Now I'm going to grab some food for us, and we're going to see how, if we're lucky, if Oliver will ski for us. Now in the wild, they'll use those large webbed feet and actually ski down onto bodies of water, scooping up as much fish as they possibly can. With a bit of luck, let's see if we can get him to ski for us today. Oh. There you go, Ollie. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's see if we can do one more with him. Now this is of course a natural behavior. Here at the Bird Gardens, we always promote natural behavior with our birds. This is exactly what they'll do in the wild. Good boy. pelicans, pigs, baby birds, but of course fish is their most favorite part of their diet. Now, when I was going to introduce him, I was going to tell you what a diva he is at stage. He's actually the brat. He's like a big puppy dog. So when he gets the chance, he'll escape from his cage. He'll run into the kitchen and gobble up all the other birds' foods. I'm not joking, but his friends in the wild were only 9. So he's kind of the big brat here at show. Now, he looks quite large, right? And you think pelicans have difficulty flying, but their skeletons are such lightweight skeletons. They weigh 10% of their total body weight. Exactly the way he chooses. Oopsie. Anyways. Well, unfortunately, we have come to the end of our show, but you don't have to leave empty-handed. We are selling stickers of the birds you saw at show, some of the reptiles and the mammals for only 15 Rand.